Lobster season. I'm lobster everything.
No, no, little one. I mean, that woman buy nothing little. No. Actually,
that's
some big
what
one.
you
All fish, me fish, them have big.
That's why people prefer little one.
Yeah. Pinks. The lobster man, they bought. How much does it say me for buy? Them alive. Hey. How much? 50 pounds? She said she get it for 50. If she buy 50 pounds, she can get it for $400.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. So this is my one.
Yeah.
A 20, how much like?
Is that
20
21?
something. 21.
Yeah, so put it
So,
at 25.
yeah.
I'll just give you 10.
Yeah. What got you man?
But the by time Pinky buy was 50 pounds, you know done.
We have to take
And
the first water we
yeah.
see. We have some 1 and some 10 and some 20.
Yeah,
But
make sure the
we have,
money are sure.
we have make sure say, we take the first water.
Oh, you're sure about it? You remember me, I forget.
On my way to go pick up Sasha, and we're gonna be on our way to Lashings. So, and Turtleness this weekend, so that will be very fun. My suitcase is flying around in the back. I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas this year. I'll try to make it fun. Granted, COVID is a pandemic, so things won't really be the same. But definitely go and check out my Vlogmas from last year. Shout out yourself, girl.
I'm Sasha. Hi guys, I'm Sasha Antonio. I've got a YouTube channel, Sasha Antonio on YouTube. I don't have anything else to say, but yeah, you could just like follow me on YouTube, I guess.
Yeah, we finna get lit.
These next few days about to be lit. It's about to be lituation.
A lituation.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah. I'm claiming it.
Right. Right.
She's driving right now. She's driving very, very safe. Like, I feel comfortable.
Thank you.
You know, there's some people when they drive in,
Drive crazy.
and you're like, let me hold on to my seatbelt. Like, you don't know. Like, your life is just flashing before your eyes.
Exactly. I try to drive safe. I'm like, you know, y'all can trust me. She could put her life in my hands, you know.
I feel like I could fall asleep right now.
Amen.
And I'll be at my destination.
Amen.
And not somewhere else.
And it'd be the best sleep ever. Oh,
Exactly.
not somewhere else. Oh my God. Alright, guys. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. You know the vibes. And I hope y'all enjoying Vlogmas so far. Let me know what you think about yesterday's video. Peace. And it's so pretty because it's like Jamaica colors. Alright. Yep, alright, the pretty part's gone. Thank you. Alright, guys. The ATM was out of service, but somebody pointed out a Jan ATM. So, no thanks. So I'm about to go over and get it from here. There's a bathroom right over there too, because I remember when me, Chad, and Dwayne were coming up, we did meet Chad's father and Kai and Jackson over there, but man, Yes, I had my mask on. That's why the volume was so low. Total. Let me see how much their gas is. 120? No, thank you. We're gonna go back up the road for gas. But anyways, I hope this ATM works. Just gonna pull 5.
Hotspot, guys. Gotta be careful on this road. Let me talk to you real quick. Okay, so guys, specifically Chad, if you get this far into the video, I came all the way here. So far, no GPS. Sasha can attest.
Yep, no GPS.
No GPS. I know. Ooh, I need to slow down though.
The road goes narrow.
It's very narrow. It's like a very steep hill.
But guess what? That means that you're alert.
Yeah, a lot of people crash on this road. If you guys know what I'm talking about, because what I love with you all is that y'all know where I am. I don't even have to tell you. Some people are like, oh, I see that bush. I know exactly where that is. No, I'm so serious. Like, when I first was driving through Chilani and everything, and I took that wrong, I always bring up the story, and I took that wrong turn. Y'all knew, and I just really appreciated it. Really appreciated that y'all told me, you know, Bicana, next time we know you took the wrong way, but next time take this way. This is the way that you were looking for, and I love that. So thank you. But anyways, we're in. I believe we're in St. Mary.
I think we're going into St. Elizabeth. I think we're in Spurtree Hill.
Yeah.
We're going down. I'll show you guys the view in a minute. Oh God, I cannot afford for this phone to drop out. Because I'm just hoping I have insurance.
I used to push my hand out the window when my mom was driving here.
Girl, I am not doing that with your phone. Because when you send me that invoice, when it's broken, Bicana, you're gonna have to wait for next year for it to be
Yeah, this is Bertrand Hill. Like she said, we're going into St. Elizabeth, and as soon as we reach Junction, we're gonna turn off to the left to go to Trinity Beach.
Look at the view.
Watch this steep now. This is where people drive off and crash. Me, what's so mad? Not drive off and crash off, but it's mad. And then it's so interesting when trucks are coming up, because they gotta reverse and do all this extra stuff. All this extra stuff. I need to get a tripod.
You know, I have a tripod in my bag. Why am I not using it? I don't know. No idea.
Maybe down here. Alright guys, so we're gonna go into Shoppers Fair really quickly in the town. There's a paymaster over here too, so I need to pay a bill real quick. And yeah. Alright. Oh, right there. Yeah, so it feels so nice. It's very cool, but it's 9:21 a.m. so we've got good time. Yeah. I'm about to eat some breakfast. I already ate a cheese patty, but I also got hominy and peanut porridge mix. This is from Juicy Patties. Like I said, I'm in the line. So yeah, but I'm gonna eat, and when I'm done with being in the line and everything, when we're about to leave, we're gonna come back at you. But look at Sasha vlogging. Our location, we just really have to get some money from our cards, especially where we're going, because they ain't got no money out there. No ATM, I should say, you know. So guys, we stood in the line. We ain't standing in the line for hours, but it felt like it. For the machine to be down. I'm so tired. So we're just gonna head on our way to Treasure Beach. Why that look like? I don't know if it's her. Okay. Maybe the girl. Oh, it's not her.
Turn left onto Kinghead Junction Main Road. Head south.
We keep the 5. Keep the 5.
Yeah, accepting a few days.
Alright, thank you. It's nice. Ooh. Guys, we're almost here. Guys, I don't know whose house this is, but they did a very good job. Oh my god. Oh, this is Koch. I reached out to them. If y'all see this, I'm here and I really like this place. I reached out to them. Oh wow, it's very beautiful on the inside. I'm gonna show you their IG pictures. These are some nice houses. I think this is actually
My dream house.
guys, it's so beautiful. Wow. Up full. Sasha is in awe.
We
are
at
both in awe.
Turtle
Turtlenecks
Nest Villa.
Villa.
And this place is beautiful. It is so beautiful.
This is exactly what it's like. Oh my god, these little doggies. Hello. Wow. Oh my god, I can't wait to film. This is what it's looking in the back. I'm gonna film a whole entire separate house tour. So guys, stay tuned for that. This is really just a journey here. Security's coming? That's good. You hear that? We got security coming. Make sure you click to watch the house tour. I'll put the link as soon as I film it, since this will be going up before. Nice. Alright guys, I can't really remember what the last part of the vlog that you saw, but filmed the house tour. Make sure y'all check it out. I think that is the last part that you saw. But look at Sasha doing some work.
Guys.
Tired. We are trying to get our videos up and running. Oh my god, mine is still on 5%. Yep, that's not... Yeah, I'm gonna find somewhere over here that has much faster internet. The internet is good for phone and for browsing, like surfing the internet. But when it comes to us who upload 3 gigabytes plus worth of video footage, then it's not that fast. But other than that, it's really fine. Again, if you want to see a tour, make sure you check out the house tour, villa tour video. I'm trying to see how, oh, this is looking. Do y'all like it from this angle? Let's see. I put my drinks in the freezer, and rightfully so. Poke it with my hand. Ew, actually I should poke it with a fork. Ooh, it's just so pretty. I think we're gonna shower. It's really pretty artwork. We're going to shower and take some content pictures for Turtle's Nest website and for their Instagram, as well as our Instagrams and for our YouTube. So yeah, I'm also going to try to call Lashings and see if we can go to the Lashings Beach Club and get much faster internet, hopefully, because today is December 1st. Just do not want to fall behind for Vlogmas. I want to edit this video tonight. So if me and Sasha, if we do anything fun, it's gonna go. If we do anything fun, it's gonna go in. You're gonna see it tomorrow. You're gonna see everything that's happening now. Now.
You're a good boy because they might see it next week. If they're lucky.
If y'all lucky, I heard that. Go blow up her page and tell her to stop talking like that. But I'm just still in awe. The sand was hot. I was filming for the house tour and I'm like, oh, let me go take off my shoes and walk in the sand and catch little, little foots in the sand. Girl, I was like, okay, it's hot. It's hot. Oh my God, it's burning. And then I had to turn around and put my shoes back on. The sun out there is wicked for the sand, at least.
I didn't even bother going down there.
No, but it's beautiful.
It's pretty, but my feet, but my foot bottom cannot.
It can't. So yeah, my video is now on still 5. So yeah, I'm gonna call lashings right now and then talk to y'all later. And if I do take pictures, I'm just gonna prop up the camera so y'all can see that. The door has been open since we got here. We feel very safe here. It's very secluded and there's security. All right guys, so we're about to go get ready and go to Jake's Sprats. I'm gonna show you in the book right over here. So they have recommended restaurants and cafes, places to visit. So we might even go to YS Falls because I believe it's $1,000 Jamaican dollars for locals. So that's very affordable for us. But we're gonna go to Jack's Sprats, not Jake's, Jack's Sprats. I heard the Wi-Fi is really good there. I just really want to upload my Vlogmas video. But anyways, gonna grab my bag. And we're gonna head upstairs. And the dogs were just out here. They're so good. Like, anyone that walks by all the way down there, if they walk by, they bark, which is really good. So I feel like that's a added bonus. Even if you don't like dogs, you cannot deny the security factor that dogs offer. So that's really good. But anyways, I'm about to go get ready. And yeah. I'm going to get my Final Cut Pro off the screen and disconnect my external hard drive. I'm telling y'all exactly what I'm trying to tell you guys exactly what I'm doing because you can't really see. And then I'm gonna pull up eject. I cannot wait. Like, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. You probably can't even see my head. Let's hope you can. I really hope you enjoy this video. I really hope you enjoy Turtle Nest Villa. Can you guys imagine I fit all of this in my carry-on? So what I'm thinking about wearing is this white top But it was in my clean clothes pile. But look, I have a little scratch on it. And it's crinkled, and we don't see a, we do not see, this has been walking as well. I didn't even realize. Sasha! Found the iron! Okay. Huh? What? Okay. Did I not open this closet? You know what? I didn't. In the video, I did not open the closet. I opened the bottom one. I think the bottom one might not be walking. I'm just being a bit nosy. So pretty. Anyways, and these chairs. Everything about this, I love white walls. Y'all know I painted my walls white. Unfortunately, I used the gloss paint, but this is a matte paint. It's beautiful. And wooden details, this paneling, it's amazing. And then if you didn't know, you can pull the light. Sorry, you can't see. You can pull the light out. Yeah, so let me actually just put it back. It's nice. Really nice. All right, so I'm gonna just shower because I told Sasha to hurry up, so I need to hurry up. Alrighty guys, so this is my outfit. I'm gonna put on my white flats. My top is from Zara. My skirt is from Forever 21. And bag is J. Crew. Yeah, and if you guys want to know my masks are from, ooh, don't mind my nails. My masks are from Victoria's Secret. So yeah, can't wait to take some beautiful content pictures. Ooh, yeah, let's go. All right, let's walk downstairs. I love these concrete stairs. Love them. I feel like they're pretty cost effective as well, you know? And I think the metal frame is what's holding them up. Yeah. So I know this isn't really a mat. Dust my foot off a little bit. Throw on the shoes. So we're heading out to go to Jack's Sprats, which I said before, only because, well, it's nice to see what's in the area, but we're also going to upload our videos, and I heard it. Yes. Can I come in with the camera? Okay. I was like, we're going night swimming, right? And it was like, cricket. Night swimming.
Where?
At the pool.
Oh, I thought you meant like sea.
In the sea? You think I'm trying to die?
That's what I was trying to figure out. Like, Bicana bring me out here to what? Unsupervised and everything.
Nah, sis. We're not trying to. I already told my people in the house tour, villa tour, that listen. I'm just trying to get in there. Listen, do not go swimming if they tell you to not go swimming. And he told us to not go swimming. The waves are pretty rough. You can hear it from all the way in the house. But the pool is very calm. So you can't go wrong in a 4'8" pool. Right? Exactly. This is what it's looking like, all locked up. The doors are locked. Well, the mesh is drawn. We're gonna lock that. The big, beautiful door. Oh my goodness, guys. This door is amazing. Amazing. I'm gonna just pull up these blinds, not blinds, doors, since we just won't be here. Oh. Oh my gosh. This star and my shoes.
Oh yeah, I like your shoes.
Thank you very much. I like yours too.
So, we ready to go?
Yep, the key's right behind you because I locked the door. Let me actually put it in the GPS. Little puppies will be, well, they're not puppies. Little doggies will be back. It seems like it's a girl.
I hate when they do that.
They shake. It's like they're shaking off fleas or something. Yeah. We'll be back. Wow. I can't even take a shot for every time I said amazing because this place is amazing. All right, so we're at Jack's.
ATM.
Oh, wow. Guys, y'all know from earlier how we stood in that ATM line for nothing. There's a whole Scotia ATM in Jack's Frat. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go edit and I'm going to upload. Oh, where are the outlets? Because I see a lot of outdoor tables. Oh man. Anyways, the beach is really pretty. Because if anything too, like if the Wi-Fi is really good, we could come back tomorrow and go to the beach because it's much calmer.
True.
Go to the beach
Very true.
Thursday or something because tomorrow's Wednesday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Please order inside. I just need to find a table that got outlet close to it. The Wi-Fi password, and it's empty, so we're good. It's so pretty. A lifeguard on duty, so if y'all come out here and start flapping, that's not funny. Yeah, I wasn't even trying to be funny. Why am I getting so defensive? It's so nice here. They are playing music in the background, so I have to be very mindful of demonetizing. So I'm gonna really hope that this video will be able to upload today for you guys. This video is going up tomorrow on December 2nd, and then we'll just continue that trend. So see y'all later. Alright guys, so our food is here. We were trying to get pictures, but yeah, this is so beautiful. Let's figure this out. Oh, 9 minutes. Okay, let me shut my mouth.
Who's having the burger?
Me. Thank you. Yum. Yeah. So let me try to find it. Au naturel. There's not a lick of salt on this fries. I'm gonna get a drink. Oh, look at this. It's probably the longest fries I've ever seen.
That is a very long fry.
Unless you got all the other fries jealous. I'm done. Let me pack up. Alright guys, so sun is hitting. Ooh. Okay, so I got a water to wash down the burger and fries. This is looking like very nice. Over there is so beautiful. How's the soup? Good. That's nice. Anything pitch on my food? I feel like something pitched on my food. Should have got beef. Alright guys, so I don't know if I'm gonna end off the vlog here or a little bit later tonight, but we are struggling to upload our first days vlog.
The stress.
The stress. So mine got a copyright strike, so I need to go back in to, well, I need to figure out where the copyright strike is coming from. It hasn't told me that yet. Hasn't told me where it's coming from yet. But I suspect it's the intro. So I'm gonna change the pitch. But I mean, can we be working from a more beautiful location though? But we're gonna try to get it up, and then I'll see y'all later tonight. If I do come back while we're here, just know it's because we still here. Yeah, I don't know what else to say.